Hello guys, happy new week to every one of you and welcome all of you to this beautiful channel, Paypal Forex Academy. I am pretty sure that you all are great out there and you're trading very well too, and you're making profit as you trade, because I know we are here to make profit. As a trader, you're trading to make profit, you're not trading to lose. Okay, that's why you put in your time and your money too. So I am pretty sure that somebody out there is also making money, you're making profit as a trader. And I always show up the best here, all right? So I'm showing up other best of strategy that you need to apply while you're approaching, while you're trading VIX 51S, all right? VIX 51S is one pair that I have so much respect for because of its movement, all right? It moves so fast, okay? So you have to treat it in a very careful manner, okay? VIX 51S is not like other pairs that you don't, you just want to do anyhow or something. I'm sorry, I'm permitted to use the word anyhow, all right? So this is a pair that if 5 minutes is just too much, if you get it wrong, okay, trust me, 5 minutes is too much. It's going to blow off your account, or you have a very massive loss. You have a very massive loss, right? So this is what the 51S is capable of doing. That's why you need to apply every sense of a successful trader while you're trading VIX 51X. So you need to follow it up by the price action, by the market structure. You also need to apply patience, because you need to work with patience. You need to go to the higher time frames and check out what the market structures looks like. I mean, what the candlesticks are saying, okay? Identify with the market if we have it on a downtrend or on an uptrend, all right? So if you have it, I will advise you to always trade from either your support or from your resistance, all right? So if you're trading from your support, it means you want to wait when the market is on uptrend. If you're trading from your resistance, it means you want to wait when the market is downtrend, all right? So now, because you are dealing with VIX 51X, it's a very volatile pairs, okay? It moves so fast, all right? So you want to trade when you see the market going. You want to trade when you have the market either uptrend or downtrend, all right? So if you want to trade while you see the market on the uptrend, all right, let's start with uptrend. So what you do first is you don't just place the trade, right? You don't just place the trade. So you also need to identify with the areas where you feel this market will actually want to continue buying from. All right. So don't trade when the market have gone for already, and because you find out the market is uptrend, you want to place a trade. No. You are going to get it wrong, and you lost so great that you might be discouraged to continue to trade, all right? So you need to identify with those areas. For the fact that you have this market uptrend, right? Like here now, we have this market uptrend. So if I take us to higher time frame, like 4 hours time frame, you can see this market is uptrend market, all right? So what I would do here now is to patiently wait. I want to wait for this. I want to see how this current 4-hour candlestick is going to close. All right, so I want to work with it. I want to identify those areas I probably feel that this market will definitely want to go back from. So let me go to the daily time frame, all right? Let's see what is going to happen in the daily time frame. So you can see all of this. The market is rightly showing us this is an uptrend market. So I want to approach this market because it's an uptrend market. So I want to patiently wait and see this market to drop to this. This is 15-minute time frame, all right? So once I wait for it to drop to this area, this 20 zone, below this 20 zone, so I have by then I have a very good reasons to place a trade, and I know I make out something from it, okay? So what am I saying? The point I'm making is you need to apply patience while you are or as a trader, you need to follow it up with patient price actions and see how you identify with those key areas that you probably knew that once the market gets to those areas, it's going to buy from there, it's going to sell from there. By your trend line is going to help you out to achieve that. Your horizontal line is going to help you out to achieve that. And by the naked chart you apply to, is going to help you out to achieve all of that, right? So I am telling you, this is what I do. I drop signals for people to trade. I analyze the market and I drop signals for people to trade and make money, right? This is what I do. So I'm telling you how I also put in the kind of work, the level of work I put in to get it right, okay? It's not as if I don't lose trade. I do lose trade, okay? But you win more, okay? When you do the right thing, you see yourself winning more than the loss. And when you do the right thing, even when you lose, you are not losing much, okay? You cannot lose what you cannot recover. You're definitely going to lose what you will definitely recover. All right, that is when you do the right thing, when you do the right thing. So I'm showing you a structure that I know I have tried and it works out very well for me, okay? I try to bring it up for you to also apply on it and make money, right? So I want to quickly say to you, if you're a new person here on this channel, this is Payvari Forex Academy, please, this is how we do it. You subscribe to this channel and like the videos and turn your notifications on so you can easily be notified on each video that is dropped here on this channel. And you can also leave some good comment if the video interests you too, all right? You can say something. If there's any area you do not understand very well, you can as well say something and I am going to guide you up very well, okay? While you are seeing this video, you can also go to the description box of this video. Check the description box of this video where you are going to see my contact list, my Telegram link, my WhatsApp number, where you can easily contact me from and we can discuss whatsoever you're coming up with. We can discuss about it. I am talking about, I mentor people here too. I also have a group I call the VIP group where people trade on my signals and make money, alright? Guys that have subscribed into that channel, okay? They trade on the signals I drop there and make money. As much as I drop signals that they're going to make money. All right. So I also have the capacity to manage your account too. All right. In case you are too busy, you don't have that time for yourself, or you don't have the confidence to do it yourself, I won't give out my account for people to manage for me too. All right. So if you are too busy to do all of that, at some point I find it interest to learn this, to acquire this knowledge. And I did too, I follow it up. And right now, I'm doing pretty well with this, okay? So, if you want me to manage your account, you can trust me to hand over your account to you, and I manage your account, and whatever I make up from your account, we are going to split it by 50-50, all right? I also need to inform you that it is very important you learn, you acquire the knowledge. It's going to help you. Trust me on that. Trust me on that. And I also have a free Telegram group too, where you can, I drop tips, trading tips, all right? Where people, sometimes I drop some readable items where you can read and gain some knowledge and know things about it, all right? But I am talking about synthetic, all right? I'm talking about synthetic where you need to, it's all about price actions, okay? It's all like you read fine, you read to just know some key things about trading, right? But the main thing is just to analyze the market very well. Price action is key here, all right? Price action is going to guide you up. It's going to teach you. It's going to show you how you can make the right decision, why you want to place a trade, all right? Okay. All right, I don't want to say much about it, all right? But try out our mentorship. It's going to help you very well, all right? So I am going to show you a strategy that I have tested and tried, and it came up successful. So this strategy is a strategy in a way to also help you to give you another good reason why you want to actually place a trade, all right? So it's not something you totally depend on the indicators, all right? Like I've told you, you need to look at the market structure. You need to go to the higher time frame and also analyze the market from that area, all right? So all of that will help you with together with the indicator that you are going to apply here. We are going to apply here. All right, let me quickly show you what the point I am making, all right? So now you can see here, I want to place this trade once I get situation like this being completed or being done, all right? So once I see this moving average across my indicator window 1 below this level 20, all right, it means this is the support zone, all right? And I also watch out for the main chart and I see this candlesticks goes above this moving average across the main chart, and it tells me that it is due time for me to enter the market. So I want to place and enter the market. So the reason why I will not place a trade right now, it has gotten to this. The reason why I will not place a trade, I am waiting for this because this market is an uptrend market, all right? So once I see this moving average drop down to this zone, right, I will look for a way and place a trade, okay? I'll look for a way and place this trade. So I'm patiently waiting, all right? So now I am showing you things that I know it works out. So this is the point. Now this is when you're selling. This is when you're selling. This is the resistance level, all right? This level is the resistance level in our indicator window 1. This level 80. So once it goes above this level 80, okay, this is our resistance level, and you watch out for this. You can have your Excel placed somewhere around here, all right? And you can see all of this. And you know, risk management is always key. So whatever you're doing, you need to apply a proper risk management, all right? So you need to trade by equity. You need to know your lot size you're using too, all right? So you can see all of this, right? You're seeing all of this. So you got to this level and you also meet up this condition here in our main chart. So you can place a trade and make money. Remember, these pairs move so fast. It gives you can give you the amount of money you didn't expect. Okay, all of this. So all of this. So this is for VIX 51X. So you can see this too. All right, you can see this. All right, so you can see all of that. Let me quickly show all the indicators we are using here. So we go to the F icon, right? We tap on it. So the first indicator we are using is the moving average. And these are the information, the parameters. We are using periods 8, and the shift is 0, and method is exponential, apply to close, and the styles we are using pixel 4, all right, with a color of your choice, and no level. We are not talking about level here, all right, so done. All right, the next indicator we are using is the stochastic oscillator, all right, so, and the parameters are these, percentage K period 50, percent D period 1, slowing 1, and price field close, and the method we are using is exponential, and the style we are using the color of our background on the main, and the signal we are using the color of our background. So the level we are using is level 80 and level 20. All right. So we are buying from level 20, selling from level 80. All right. I'm done with this. So the next we are using, the last and but not the least, is the moving average. So this is it. All right. And these are the information. So you can take note of this. Done. All right. So these are the informations. So right now, I want to wish you the very best, and I want to wish you a very new week, a happy new week, and I wish you the very best as you trade on this new week. So always trade with patience and make sure you follow up the market structure. Trade from resistance, trade from support, identify those areas with your tools. All right. So right now, I am going to leave you. I want to wish you the very best. Thank you.